Kia ora guys, welcome to another video tutorial. We'll just be covering how to calculate the unknown amount with percentages. So if you have a question that says 30% of an unknown amount, an unknown variable, x in this case, is equal to 60. 30% of something is equal to 60. Find that something. Just note that the word of means to multiply. So, if we have the question here, we can rewrite it as 30% times something, an unknown variable, times x equals 60. I can actually rewrite this as 0.3 times x equals 60. And actually, from algebra, instead of writing times here, you can actually just skip the times out and you just go 0.3x equals 60. Okay, so that makes it just a whole lot easier. Now we can say, okay, how do we find x? If we're trying to find x, which is a basic rule of algebra, we want the x, or the unknown variable, by itself. So that means we're going to have to move this 0.3 to the side. They're attached together, 0.3 and x, through multiplication. So you have to do the opposite to multiplication because it's being moved to the opposite side. Yeah, it's going to the other side here. So what's the opposite to times? It's going to be divide. Divided by 0.3. So now we can say we've moved it. And the answer is x is equal to 60 divided by 0.3. And then you just take your calculator and you punch it in. Divided by 0.3. And the answer is 200. X equals 200. So we can basically say that 30% of 200 is equal to 60. And you can check that putting in the calculator. 30% of 200 equals 60. Cool. Another thing, you could have actually just gone from here and said, oh yeah, 30% times x equals 60. I want to move this term over to this side, and you can actually have just gone 60 divided by 30%, and it would be the same as this, equivalent to this line over here. So 60 divided by 30%, punch that in the calculator. 60 divided by 30% function is equal to 200. And that is what we got. So hopefully this video helped. And just remember that word of gets changed to multiplication, and you have to bring the term to the other side, yeah, the percentage term, so that way the unknown variable is by itself. Yeah? We want x by itself, and that's what we got here, by moving him over to that side. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.